Would you like to weave with my beautiful beads?
Hello everybody, this is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beader, and today we're going to do Bargain Bead Box. I actually got this a few days back, but haven't had a chance to film, so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I did not watch anybody else's videos, so I have no idea what is in here. It's going to be a surprise. Okay. Looks like the theme is citrus, so I'm expecting some bright colors, I suppose. Alright. Let's see. Always comes in this nice organza bag, and the price is about $18 a month. Ooh, and there are some bright colors here. So let's see. Okay, now that I have everything arranged, we'll look at each item. Number one are 40 pieces of 8mm leaf bead caps, and these are lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh, these are sweet. They're little leaf, cute. So I'm going to put these down here on the bead mat. Number two are 5 sets of 14 by 19 smooth toggle clasps, and again they are lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Always nice to have findings, so nice toggle clasps. Number three are 100 pieces of 4mm daisy spacer beads, and these really add a finished look to your work when you put them on between the beads. Add a nice little finished look to the work. So okay. Number four is a 7-inch strand of 6mm faceted Malaysia Jade, which is basically quartz round beads. And these are very pretty, definitely citrusy. Look at that green, that's a nice lime green, and they are faceted in a smooth way, not sharp facets, but very smooth facets. You can see that as I move them around, they do sparkle. So we'll put that down there on the bead mat as well. Number five are 12 pieces of 11 by 9mm matte stripe crystal round beads in lemon chiffon AB. Oh my, these do, oh, look at these. These have a frosted part and a shiny part, and that AB just sparkles. Oh my. And it does have a slight yellowish tint to it, so definitely sparkly. Number six are 20 pieces of 10mm lemon slice handmade polymer clay beads. Oh, aren't these adorable and fun? Oh my, they're the cutest. Can you see that detail on there? Little lemons, and they look just like lemon slices. Good enough to eat. How cute is that? Okay. Well, we definitely have a citrusy theme going on here. Okay, number seven are 2 pieces of 34 by 20mm leaf chandelier components. These are lead and nickel free. And here are these components. This is the front, and the back. So you could use these as earrings. You could use these as connectors in a necklace by putting things here and here. You could even use it sideways like this if you wanted to be creative. Number of different things you could do. You could even dangle a crystal if you wanted in the middle, a tiny crystal. Lots of things you could do with that. It's very versatile. Okay, number 8. 4 pieces of 25mm triple leaf drops. These are lead and cadmium free. So here they are, leaf drops. And this is the front, and that is the back. So they're not really two-sided. The details on the front there. All right. Okay. Number 9 is an 8-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal rondelle beads in matte lemon chiffon AB. So these aren't quite the same as the other ones. This is definitely a matte. It does have an AB finish on it. I don't know if the camera is bringing that through or not, but there is an AB finish on that matte. Okay, number 10. 10 pieces, approximately 10mm lampwork glass round beads. Again with the yellow citrus theme. And we have some unusual things going on inside of these beads. Very frosty looking. All right. Number 11 is a 15-inch strand of 6mm Crackle agate round beads in lemon meringue. And this is what these look like. Wow. There are a lot of different colors here. Some of these look like kind of like wrinkled yellow peas. Oh, that's interesting. Different shades of yellow there. And there's a note here that agate is mostly dyed and heat treated. So that's going on with that. 12 are 4 pieces of Never Never Give Up charms, which are lead, nickel, and cadmium free. And that's what they say on here. Never, never give up. I think I got 5. I got a bonus. So, okay. Positive affirmation there. Number 13 is top drilled yellow agate pendant. And it's quite large. Looks like this. This is the back side and the front side. And the hole is up here. A little rough on the hole, but otherwise a nice good size pendant. They don't have a size here, but as you can see, it's pretty good size on my fingers there. Okay, number 14, approximately a 5.5-inch strand of lime green opaque glass beads. And these are definitely a very bright lime green. Wow, those are bright. Glass beads. Nice bright green. Hope those are coming through on the colors there. And these have nice holes. Nice holes drilled in there. Nice and smooth. So those are 14. 15 is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter steel jewelry chain, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Always nice to get chain. And this is a pretty chain. It has a sparkle to it for steel. It's a nice chain, and 1 meter is a good amount. So that's very sparkly. 16 is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter Millefiori glass coin beads. And these are very pretty. If I can get the bag open. Oh yes, these are very lovely. These are pretty glass Millefiori. It's green and has a yellow star inside. You can see those. It brings together our greens and our yellows. Very nice. 17. 2 pieces of 13 millimeter enamel brass lemon charms, nickel free. Oh, these are cute. And they're rather heavy, actually. They're little, oh, aren't those cute? They're little lemons. They even have a little leaf on top. And if you can see that little leaf right there. And pretty substantial in weight too. I mean, you can feel it, and they're little lemons there. Very cute. Have a little hole at the top. So that's 17. And our last bag, 18, is a 7.5 inch strand of yellow agate English cut faceted round beads. And these do have an unusual cut on them. I've heard this called a star cut also. I'm not sure if that's the same or not, but these are quite shiny. And so these are yellow agate. And go quite nicely with some of our other beads that we have here on the mat. So this is the February 2020 Bargain Bead Box. It says the total retail value is $61. It was about $18. So it's quite a value, and you get everything you basically need to make jewelry with. You have the findings and so forth. So it's a really good value, and especially since everything on the findings are lead free. Most of them are nickel free, and many of them are also cadmium free. Let me know what you think about this box for this month, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Please comment, and bead sparkly. Bye-bye.